For this video, I'll be speaking about templates on Workspace. As you can see here, I am on the home screen, but I'll be selecting Workspace for this tutorial video. As you can see here, I have the plus button where I'm able to add in pages. I'm able to see my current pages that I've created, as well as pages shared with me. And for this tutorial, we'll be focusing on the Browse Template button. I'll select the Browse Template button. I'm able to search for templates. I'm able to view our most popular templates, as well as all the additional templates that we have created on Stratpilot. As you can see here, we have a wide variety of templates available, such as travel planner, goal setting, daily journal, workout planner, and as we go on, we'll be continuing to add on more and more templates. If I want to preview the templates, I'll simply select the preview button next to a given template. I'll start off by selecting the Research and Insights template, and I'll click on the preview button. Now that I've selected the button, on the left-hand side, I'm able to see the exact preview templates. And on the right-hand side, I'm able to see a description about that given template. I then am able to cancel or simply exit, or lastly, use templates. I'm going to select the Use Template button. And this will take me to the template, the Research and Insights template. As you can see here, this provides a brief description and outline of the Research and Insights templates. And it's up to me of what I want to add, edit, delete, and share, and add in different formats, as well as print, undo, redo, and have different options per template. This template then will get added under your pages, and it's then up for me to go on to view previous templates, as well as add additional templates through the Browse Template button.